So I've been travelling for nearly a year at this point, and got some pretty awesome shots with my drone so far. My brother joins me for the final week, and one thing I've learned is never ever let someone fly your drone. As you can see here, my brother, he gets a great shot, an aerial shot of our family home in the Philippines. Swooping shot over the top of the house, and turning the camera, a nice bird's eye view shot. And at this point, it's job well done, good work. Now all he has to do is land the damn thing. So things are going well here, and we're just meters away, and then suddenly, nope, he hits a wire. Oh. Uh-oh. Gutted. Cousin there, Daryl, not really phased. My brother Adam, scrambling for the drone now. Bit of panic. Checking it out. Sweet little girl there from Culapan. Probably doesn't know what the hell is going on, bless her. Right, final day here in the Philippines. I'm on a last little mission. My brother, and I will say my brother, not me, 7 months travelling, didn't crash my drone. Brother comes, 1 week, smashed it up. So I'm on this little goose chase. I'm in Manila, gonna desperately try and get the drone fixed before I get home. I've managed to find a little company. It's about an hour away from my digs here. So let's see if they can deliver the goods. Just here with my cousin Beryl. Yeah. He's picked me up from the airport, and we're good to go. We're on route to Lazarus. Just approaching, stay tuned. Oh, complete.
One more time?
Sure. Nice. All working good, huh?
Yeah.
Bleeds.
Yeah, good bleeds.
The boys at Lazarus fixed it, the calibration has worked. Now it's just time for a test flight. Please. Success. They've done it. Nice and smooth, camera smooth, flying like a dream. Oh. Yeah, they've done it. So the boys at Lazarus, they fixed my drone. Great service. They fixed it in under 1 hour. So if you're ever in the Philippines traveling, your drone breaks, head to Manila. Check these guys out. Salamat guys. Thank you very much.